The Galaxy S22 Ultra leaks keep coming and they are even better than before. Today we're going to be talking about the three type of S22, the new brand look that the S22 Ultra is going to bring. Also, for the first time ever, the USA consumers will be having a brand new chip on the next Samsung S22. Welcome to Techniques. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and turn on all your notifications. If you like how that sounds, well, you are not the only one that's alone. There's going to be a lot of happy consumers, especially those that love the Note overall. The rumors do say that the S22 is going to replace the Note, so a lot of you I think it's over 30,000 that have entered a ballot talking about bringing back the Note are going to be super happy because it's going to bring a lot of the features into the brand new S22. We are talking about getting the Samsung Galaxy S22, which is the regular version. We also might be getting the Pro or the Plus version. And on top of this, we're going to be getting the Ultra, the S22 Ultra. However, the Ultra is really going to be a totally separate phone from the other two in the flagship. Why am I saying this? So the Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to be able to compete and probably beat the iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you see, the iPhone 13 and the 13 regular are really different from the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is probably going to be the same way. So let's find out more about what is going to bring, what's under that hood, and what can we expect for the Ultra S22. I think what set apart the Note is that it came with a lot of features, and one of them was the S Pen. Well, good news is that the Ultra S22 is going to be able, not only capable of holding the S22, but is going to be integrated in the phone itself. It might not be the same thing as it was in the Note 20 with the special S Pen that you were able to use, but it's going to bring something new, something different, but still keep that look of the Note 20. And I think that's something that Samsung is really looking into bringing back, because there is a lot of you consumers out there that want that type of phone once again. So now that I tell you a little bit about those leaks, now let's get into what you're here for. So you're here for to know more about the S22 Ultra. So this is going to bring some serious hardware. The rumors say that the S22 family is coming with two different chips. Yes, two, guys, not one. For the first time ever, the Galaxy is going to bring a brand new chip that it has never been here in the United States. This has been tested overseas, and I believe Europe has had it before, but for the very first time, we're going to have a different chip. The regular, probably the standard one, is going to come with the Snapdragon 898, where it's said that the Galaxy Ultra might come with the Exynos hardware. That's a different type of chip. It says that it could probably handle the type of graphics that a current console has at this moment, which is the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox Series X. That's how serious and how powerful this chip is going to be. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, how amazing is this? Let me know, what do you feel? Let me know what you think about Samsung is going to bring to with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, a few more things that this chip might be able to do is being capable of ray tracing. This to a PC sometimes it struggle, but in a phone, that's going to be something amazing, and I can't really wait to see. And on top of this, we're talking about the powerful hardware that's coming with the camera itself. 108 megapixels camera with the Ultra packed with 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM. So as you see here, the S22 Ultra is going to come with a lot of power. The hardware is seriously being integrated. It's going to bring a lot to the industry, especially for gaming, or even if you are the type of person that loves to do a lot of YouTube or loves to record TikToks and different things like that. It's really going to help you have this type of phone because it's going to come with a lot of technology. It's also going to have a powerful hardware to handle all of this and a lot more. Now, in regards to pricing, well, at this moment we have no word, but maybe something around 1200. As we see the Galaxy Z Fold 3, no one care about paying $17.99 because you're getting something good. So maybe this is going to be maybe $12.99, $13.99. That we still have to see when the phone releases or when Samsung releases the pricing of how much it's going to cost. Overall, those are the leaks for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and also the other type of S22 that are coming with it. Let me know in the comment sections, what do you think so far? Also, thank you for watching the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and turn on all your notifications. This is Tron, and I will see you guys on the next video.